March 3rd in the lunar calendar is around the corner. It's a special festival in Guangxi, and I'd love to check it out. People here sure know how to sing and dance, and it seems like it's been that way since ancient times. This is
崇左, Guangxi.
On these rock paintings, which have existed for over 2,000 years, I see dancing scenes and ritual activities of the Luoyue people,
Ancestors of the Zhuang
ethnic group.
Hello Yuanxi, I'm the Zhuang Huashan rock art. There are over 1,500 of us little red figures, documenting life in Guangxi over 2,000 years ago.
Oh, but why are you red?
Back then, people used mainly hematite-based pigments mixed with animal fat or plant juices to paint us, so I'm still this bright and colorful.
It's amazing that people back then could paint over 8,000 square meters of rock faces. How incredible.
Yeah, human creativity knows no bounds. In today's Guangxi, the Lingu Canal, dug out by people more than 2,000 years ago, still sees rippling water flowing under the sunshine. Like the Dujiangyan, the Lingu Canal is an important hydraulic project built in the Qin dynasty. It connected the Xiangjiang River and the Lijiang River, and also the Yangtze River system and the Pearl River system, serving as a vital waterway for thousands of years.
Does it still function today?
Absolutely. Initially built for grain transportation during wartime, the Lingu Canal gradually took on multiple roles in agriculture, industry, commerce, and daily life. Today, it still plays a crucial role in irrigation, flood control, and ecological restoration. Modern water projects in Guangxi also draw inspiration and experience from the Lingu Canal. For example, the Pinglu Canal will become a new channel connecting Guangxi to the Yangtze River and the sea.
As rivers flow endlessly, cultural heritage flourishes in Guangxi.
Right. Such waters have nurtured Guangxi's unique tea culture.
What a rich tea aroma.
我们广西的六宝茶是属于六大茶类里面黑茶的一种品种，在清代嘉庆年间的时候列入中国24大名茶之一，也被誉为可以喝的古董。那六宝茶它第一个祛湿，第二个它对肠胃特别的好。国内兴起了这个喝六宝茶的潮流，那么我们一定要把六宝茶曾经是作为最出名的侨销茶这一段历史，我们也要给它慢慢的复兴起来。我们的非遗传承人的团体，从50后、60后、70后、80后、90后、00后都有，把我们中国的茶文化带到世界各地去。
Apart from the globally renowned Liu Bao tea, you must also try the unique Gongcheng oil tea.
我们每天都会喝油茶，驱寒，因为它里面是姜跟蒜。比如说你冬天伤风感冒的，你只要喝上3碗的话，马上就会好。所以我们一般就不吃感冒药。很多人喝完以后他会睡不着，就是很清醒，很有精神，所以我们就称它叫中国式咖啡。我们这边的人真的特别喜欢这个油茶，一大清早的就坐在那里，就是3、5好友约在那里就边喝油茶边聊天。
In Guangxi, you can experience incredibly diverse ethnic cultures. Especially during the upcoming Sanyue-san festival, you can join locals in singing and dancing.
Here in Guangxi, I see colorful ethnic customs, picturesque landscapes, and the unique charm of intangible cultural heritage.
In spring, We hear drums beating and fireworks playing during the 3月3 festival.
And in the autumn, locals perform the trough-beating dance for the Frost's Descent festival. Guangxi boasts beautiful nature and plenty of delights. Come and see for yourselves.